Anyway, no one can help us. Absolutely no one here understands Russian at all. And our broken English. We, in short, by the hall of the nobleman to eat weight loss. Friends, hello, everyone. Today you and I are in Turkey, in the province of Ager. This is where we came to the ALA facility. This enterprise has purchased DP-30T machine, and now we will follow up with their facility to do the commissioning. See you soon. Friends, the ALA stands on the machine. And we'll put this in firm on this design. This design has a cone subtitles made by Dmatorzok Dick, Sludge Dick. Subtitles made by Dmatorzok, subtitles made by Dmatorzok, subtitles made by Dmatorzok, subtitles made by Dmatorzok, guys. Hello everyone. Today, we are on our second day at the Clabber facility. We procured such dogs with the actual parameter on the high trap. So here we had standard elevators with a small angle of alpha. And then it was all moving into the historical world. Today, we have already begun other tasks. Aside from the fact that we had a better start in the official, especially that I did well. Today, we do more complicated things. They are, again, advisory for others, and they are used in this area for the production of food industry, particularly dairy people. That's how they work. At the moment, we are still doing employee training, and we have been doing step by step now. That is, starting from filling the mental assignment through our program, and after that, if they are now collecting knives, putting the necessary parameters in our domic and proceeding to do the disco part. What we had performed yesterday by the employees of this company, they were satisfied with it. It worked out according to our mental parameters, although the dickies were kind of squirmy. There was little experience for that in chronic meters, and now they've gained experience on their own, seeing what the enterprise does. And, accordingly, we'll continue the nerd study today. The sequel follows. Thank you. So, yeah, I liked it. They've already learned how to do it. Yeah. Love the way they do it all. Everything we bent yesterday, all the augers, all the coils are already on the current chain ring. That is, now they have already welded the stainless steel. All the threads are even. Everything is as it should be. Everyone likes it. Hello. Hello, Azim. Hello, engineers. Can you please tell me what you are satisfied with our equipment? They showed everything they knew about the car. Thank them for that. Yes, he says, I want to say thank you for finding your plant, for contacting us too, for your support, for showing us how it all works. So we think we will have an increased production with this machine. I mean, I want to say thank you to everyone. Thank you very much. Would you recommend our Eurasian equipment factory to other people? I'm saying different firms. Can you believe it? Yes, we prefer it. We're very excited. We didn't go through any trouble. If necessary, we will be referenced. We have a new car in the Crimea. It's an unknown vehicle. Handy lesson. We recommend it to anyone who wants to. Of course, we recommend it. Convenient to use. The study was short, simple, and the explanation was simple. We're very excited. We recommend clients who will be our client. I mean, yes, they say that this and in Turkey turns out to be the first machine that they say we have acquired for our future work. We would certainly recommend this machine and your factory to everyone. And if an abstract list is needed, we can do that too. That is to offer, let's say, well, or you need this referral. That is, you can also recommend us. Always the feedback will be positive. Thank you, we'd like to say to everyone. Thank you so much to our friends from Turkey. We are very proud to cooperate with this plant, and we hope only for positive dynamics for further cooperation with this plant. And we wish this plant only enlightenment and good luck. Good luck to you, and thank you so much for having us, for treating us warmly, and good luck with everything. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, and thank you very much, too. It was a pleasure to meet you and familiarize ourselves with your plant. That, friends, is the end of our farewell to Turkey. I'll see you next time. Watch our channel, put your likes, and see you later until new episodes. So long. Well, friends, the scandalous work was a success. I'm going home. And until we meet again, until new videos, good luck.